My own happens Yuki in Nagosa little residential areas of Japan. No, Osaka, Japan. Let's wait for the viewers. Hello. Hello, kumusta ka? Kumusta ka, everyone? Hello. Hello, everyone. Asaman ka so Osaka Yuki, Nako sa Izumi Ozu City sa Osaka karon. Izumi Ozu. That's around 50 minutes. 50 minutes from the central city in Osaka. Natasha. Hello. Oh, Mayo. Hello. Ako motorcycle. By the way, I've been taking English class with Filipino teachers, online teachers, and I'm using a keyword to search teachers with like Cebu or Davao or Bohol, so I can find many Bisaya teachers. And yeah, so but teachers don't know I know how to speak Bisaya, so they always get amazed as I talk in Bisaya. I'm putting an explanation or extra order in my profile in the school, so teachers can see my extra order. Then I'm writing down something like for Filipino teacher, tell me if you are Bisaya, so I'd like to study Bisaya. And most of teachers tell me they are Bisaya, and I say, "Oh, my diay, kuya ko oi," like that. So they get amazed, impressed, surprised, shocked. You can't speak Bisaya like this. They react well, very react well. Teachers react very well, and I just say I'd like to study Bisaya. So teachers teach me without any doubt. They teach me Bisaya innocently, following the textbook. Naka sa Cebu karon, nako sa Osaka, Japan karon. いつセブ行きますか? Maybe I can go to Cebu 1 year later or 2 years later after the pandemic, maybe. 朝霞、大阪、なあこさ、泉大津シティさ、大阪カロン。Yeah. Also some expression of Bisaya you can speak it very well. Thank you. I still have to study Bisaya more. Yeah, and me and the teacher proceed to the lesson, the class in English, and we have very fun time. And the teachers look very happy when I talk in Bisaya. Like I say saktoba sa ako English, mau diay, and teacher asked me, naa pangtana. So I say walaman or wala ko'y pangtana. Nice one, you speak Bisaya. Thank you. I know only simple phrases like mo adoko sa somewhere or mukaon ko somewhere, something. Very simple sentences. I can make only very simple sentences. Mayo hapon dia Yuki. Oh, mayo hapon. Mayo naka mo Bisaya. Salamat. Genki o kayo. Okeraku kayo. I studied. Hi sir, please say guapa si Gwena. Guapa si Gwena. Take care always. Amping per me. Amping put na siya. Wala na'y COVID diha. Daghan cases of COVID. Yeah. What time? Maybe I will end the live in 5 minutes, maybe. Yuki, Kato Nakas Fukui, hometown Naka. Oh, really? You are living in Fukui. How can I say Walapa? I haven't been there. Walapa. Oh, really? I want to gather you guys in Osaka. Ima doko desu ka? Nako sa Izumi Otsu sa Osaka karon. Yeah. And back to the topic. And yeah, teachers look happy when we talk in Bisaya. And after that, the end of the class, I reveal, or I say I'm a blogger. I'm a blogger, and the teachers react like, really? Modiai, like this. That's very funny. They get very surprised. So surprised. And they asked me the name of the blog. So I answered that that's Binisaya ni Yuki. Ang pangalan sa akong blog sa Facebook kay Binisaya ni Yuki. Their reaction are very, very cute. Very cute. When I review, I'm a blogger, or yeah, I'm doing blog in Facebook. But you know, I can say, you know, people think blogger is like YouTuber, so sometimes teachers make misunderstanding. I'm a YouTuber, but the videos in YouTube is still a few, not a lot, so I still have to explain. Nako sa Facebook like this. Oh, gano love nimo ang Filipino. I'm comfortable. I am comfortable to talk to Filipino. And I take easy. And they're friendly or gentle. Yuki-san, wala lagi face mask. Because this is outside and that's not mandatory. I can still choose whether wear or not. So that's fine. Ganon guapo man ka Yuki oi. Salamat. Because my parents did well, gently. They produced me very gently. Unsay favorite foods ni mo sa Bisaya? Ganahan ko humba. Ganahan ko sa imong smile. Salamat. Pork sisig. I'm not really like sisig. That's really sour. So it's like sour to me. Does Japan have COVID cases? That's increasing. Yawa. How long have you been a blogger? It's been 2 years, almost. Yeah. I'm comfortable with it. By the way, the TV program, the anchor and the producer were very friendly before taking the record, and they made me relaxed, and they talked to me a lot, and they asked me a lot. They are very friendly. They were very gentle, kind. It was good time in GMA regional TV live. It's a good time. Yuki nakakaon nakagbalot. Balot. Wala pa. I haven't experienced. Oh. By the way, I've got to go. Thank you. See you next again. Thank you for watching. Sige, amping.